Hi, I'm Joseph. I'm here at Armstrong Garden Centers in Marina, and yes, we're open. We've temporarily suspended our in-store shopping experience for the safety of our customers and associates. But don't worry, gardening's not canceled. You can visit us online at www.armstronggarden.com, where you can fill out an online request that we can fill for you in the store. You can either pick up curbside or we can help you with home delivery. There's so much blooming in the garden right now that I just have to show you a few of my favorites. We have tree roses in multiple colors and sizes. We have Osteospermum caches, great sun-loving plant. We have Martha Washington geraniums. We have the classic hydrangea. We have ranunculus. We have multiple types of hanging baskets as well. This is a fuchsia hanging basket, great for shade. But maybe you don't know what you're looking for. That's okay, we've got you covered. We have multiple kit options for you to choose from also on our website. Just to give you a few, we have a sun-loving gardening kit right here. We have a sun-loving container kit. We also have a sweet vegetable gardening kit right here for you as well. On behalf of all of Armstrong Garden Centers, we want to thank you for your continued support, and we hope to see you in our stores soon.